Okay, let's talk about the Ford F-150 Detroit Lions edition. If you think trucks and football don't mix, you haven't seen Detroit's sense of brand loyalty. Ford basically owns the roads, and the Lions own the Sundays, win or lose. Here's where it gets interesting. Not every dealership in Michigan actually carries the special Detroit Lions edition. That causes some real pain if you're a football diehard and want to show it off daily. Limited runs, real FOMO happening here. You'll spot the Lions edition by the custom blue paint job, badges that would make any opposing fan jealous, and interior stitching in that unmistakable Honolulu blue. It's subtle, but also not subtle at all. Imagine pulling up next to a Bears fan at a stoplight. The real problem? Good luck tracking down an actual new model. These things sell out during preseason and then show up on Craigslist at a 35% markup. Patience or a high credit limit is needed if you're hoping to get one before Thanksgiving. The F-150 itself is a beast. It's been the best-selling truck in America for over 45 years. That's not a typo. 45 years. It can tow a boat or a tailgate party, which is basically a requirement if you want to claim you're actually from Detroit. Every time the Lions have a decent run, you'll see sales of the F-150 Detroit Lions spike. I mean, that's optimism at its finest. People see a 5-1 record and suddenly need a themed pickup, just in case there's a playoff parade. A fun pro tip: you get priority parking at Ford Field if you're driving the special Lions edition. Okay, that's not official, but that hasn't stopped fans from trying to claim a spot up front. It's a tribal thing, really. What about actually customizing your ordinary F-150? The aftermarket kits for the Lions theme are nearly as good as the originals. Wraps, seat covers, floor mats, you name it. But you'll just have to live with the badge envy when someone pulls up in the real thing. Common pain point. Rarely, dealerships try to price gouge the fan package, where you'll pay more for some mats and stickers than a year's worth of streaming football. Always compare with the DIY route. You'll save at least $800 and still get the look. Oh, and let's talk about winter tailgating. Try not to lock your keys in the truck when it's single digits out. This happens all the time at Ford Field, with cold hands and excitement. Ford's remote start and app-based unlock features are actual lifesavers, which I wish the Lions had during close games. For every Lions F-150 you see, there are about 10 that have had the badges borrowed in the parking lot. Pro tip: keep a backup set in your glove box if you're at a rivalry game. You laugh, but it's $120 per new badge, easily. End of the day, Ford and the Detroit Lions are both about hope, stubborn loyalty, and an unwavering belief that next year is the year. The fact that you can wrap that hope into a pickup truck just makes perfect sense to me.